How to design poster in Canva. Open the Canva. Search for poster. You can see lots of posters here. Select the one you want to. Okay, this is how you can choose poster. Now go back to top. Select blank template. You can see the blank screen in front of you. Now here you can customize the poster. You can see design if you want to add any. Elements are also here to add shapes, graphics, and everything. In Uploads, you can record yourself. In the text, you can add text and headings. Here you can add the color. You can also add the shapes to template. Now customize the template you really want to design. Add text, stickers, colors, and everything you want to make it attractive. Look at the screen and design your own template by following these steps. Stickers, logos, and everything is available at just one click. Here, the poster is ready. That's how you can design a poster in Canva. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.